Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a pregnancy update. I just had my 20-week appointment last week. I'm sorry if you can hear this dog barking. My neighbor's dog barks like at nothing. It's been like 2 hours now. 2 hours straight of barking and nothing. It's driving me insane. I don't understand. Can't you, if I can hear it, can't you hear it? Doesn't it drive you nuts? I don't get it. Anyways, back to the pregnancy update. I am currently 20, I'll be 20, I'm filming this on Friday, I'll be 21 weeks on Sunday, so a couple days short of 21 weeks. So, and we are having a baby girl in March of 2019. I had my 20-week appointment last week and Brian was home, so he got to go with me. And we had our anatomy, our first anatomy ultrasound, and everything looked really good. Everything's normal, fluid's normal, everything's normal there. She looks the right size. They measured every, they measure the head, they measure extremities, all that kind of stuff, and everything looked good. Her stomach and her heart and brain and all that stuff looked good. So we were very relieved there. Also, if this is your first time watching, I have a 1-year-old son and I had gestational diabetes with him. So they tested me early this time at 14 weeks. I had a 1-hour test and that was, I didn't pass that, I failed. And so they had me do the 3-hour glucose test and I failed 1 out of the 3. I officially talked to my doctor about it at this last appointment, and she said that it's kind of up to me how we proceed. She doesn't want to start any medications at this point, but she wanted to know if I wanted to start checking my sugars or I could just follow the low carb diet. And I opted to start checking my sugars. It kind of keeps me accountable and lets me know where I'm at. And I feel like if my insulin resistance starts to increase, then I will be able to know that by my sugars and not wait till 28 weeks when I'm doing my next 3-hour test. So I'm just gonna check I don't know, once a week, 4 times a day, just to see kind of how I'm doing. And if I start to get some high readings, then I need to call her and tell her about those. So that's what we've decided with the gestational diabetes. I have gotten my glucometer. I lost my one with Maverick. I just cannot find it. I wonder if I put it in with his newborn stuff. I don't know, because I was anticipating being diabetic with my next pregnancy. I don't know where I put it. I don't know. Anyways, I couldn't find it, so she prescribed me a new one. And this insurance, I'm on Brian's insurance now, and it was so much easier than the last time that I got it. My other insurance fought how many strips I got and how many. It was just a pain in the butt. So anyways, we talked about that. I'm not really having any bad symptoms. The only thing is headaches, and I've mentioned that before. Some days I'll wake up with them. More times than not, really, I'll wake up with an annoying little, it's not debilitating or anything. It's I don't know, it's just really annoying. And a lot of times it's just in my left temple, and I don't know. That's just really weird. And I told her about that, and I just need to drink more water and watch what I'm eating, and maybe you should check my sugars and see if that kind of correlates, but we will see about that. I just take Tylenol and that seems to help, or I've been rubbing peppermint oil right on the spot, and that seems to take care of it. So they're not really, really bad headaches. They're just really annoying, and I just want to wake up without a headache. She is moving a ton in there, and I can finally feel her from the outside. If I put my hands on my stomach, especially in the evening, when I lay down to go to bed, she is very, very active. So I can feel her on the outside now, which is exciting. Brian hasn't felt her yet, so hopefully the next time he's home, he will be able to feel her. So I did make my first big baby purchase. I am hoping to do a newborn essentials video here soon. I want to do one before and one after and kind of compare them. I think it'll be kind of cool if I did one a month or 2 after she's born, just kind of compare what I'm actually using. I know exactly what I loved for Maverick, but it may not be the same for her. So we'll see. I want to do both of those videos, and I'm going to be filming them soon. I guess it wasn't a huge purchase. It was just a rock and play. We had one before and lent it to a family member, so I just got a new one this time. And I wanted it to have the rocker function where it can rock on its own. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but I definitely want to have the option just in case. I didn't have that with Maverick, but he loved his rock and play all the way till he was like 3 months, and then it was kind of hard to transition, but he had a lot of reflux, so it was really, really awesome to have the rock and play. Also, Brian and I have been looking at cribs and paint colors and stuff, and we are gonna start, I think after the new year probably, because we'll have a good 2.5 months or so to get the nursery all done. So I am hoping to purchase the crib here soon if I can decide on which one I want, and then we'll move everything out of that guest room and slowly make it her room. So we're excited about that. I was hoping to find the same crib that Maverick has in white, but I just can't find it without it being like outrageous. I think they stopped making it and now it's like, I don't know, it's just outrageous. It was like $500. I'm like, I paid like $200 for his crib and it's amazing. Like it's really nice. So I don't know. I'm not about to pay like $1,000 for a crib. Not gonna happen. So all they do is chew on it. So anyways, I think that is about it. As far as names, we've kind of steered away from the one name that we thought we were gonna name her, because some days I love it and some days I don't. So I don't know. We've come up with some new names, so maybe I'll do a new baby names I love but won't be using, because some of them I put out there for Brian he hates again. So we'll see about her name. I don't know. It's hard. Let me know down below if you had kids that were pretty close together. I am a little bit nervous, and some of the feelings that I've been having lately about having 2 under 2, I just am getting a little bit nervous about how I will care for Maverick when I have a newborn, because he gets busier and busier every single day. So let me know below how you kind of prepared your oldest, and if there's any tips or tricks or things that you could tell me to kind of ease my mind. That would be much appreciated. And some other feelings I'm having, I'm just really getting excited. I know they're going to be super close together, but I am really excited about the relationship they'll have, and I'm just hoping they'll be really close. So I'm really excited about that. And then I'm getting so excited to have a girl. As you guys know, we really wanted a boy. We wanted 2 boys, but I'm getting really, really excited. The more I look at girl stuff, I'm just so excited it's a girl. So also, I'm just so excited to meet her. The more I feel her move and everything, I'm just like, it's a real person and I'm gonna love her so much. So anyways, I'm just really, really excited. I took a picture. This shirt I had actually for Maverick, and I didn't buy a ton of maternity stuff. Like, I don't know. And some of the jeans that I had last time, I actually didn't have any jeans. I had like capris because it was summer. It was like summertime. I haven't had him in September. So I probably need to go purchase some jeans, because the capris I can like wear with boots and pull it off, but they are a little bit big. I don't know if I'm smaller this time. I feel like I'm bigger. I don't know. They're not fitting right. And I got them from Target, and I never really loved them, but I made them work because I bought them. So if you have any suggestions on like maternity like leggings or maternity jeans, let me know down below. Like, I want the ones that go high, like the pants that go high. I hate the ones, I bought a couple pair last time with the like the little panels on the side. They kind of, and those are a joke. Like, I have to wear the that little band thing that goes up, which I wear with a lot of my normal jeans because they are still working, but I have a feeling they're not going to work for much longer just because my belly and like the button and all that kind of stuff. So anyways, if you have any suggestions on really great maternity jeans, I'm not going to buy a ton, just like 1 or 2 pair, and then some like leggings. If you have some suggestions for that, leave them down below so I can go and check them out. And I don't want to spend like $100 and some dollars on 1 pair of maternity jeans that I'm gonna wear for like 4 more months or less. So I think that's it. I'll show you guys a bump shot. It's not much change from last time. But yeah, this shirt, I was going into that. This shirt I actually had with Maverick, and I took a picture just like the one at 20 weeks that I had of Maverick. So I'll maybe try to insert those here so you guys can see. But my hair is kind of the same length and everything, so it'll be fun to see and compare those. So all right, so hopefully you can see. I didn't want to put on real pants, so I'm wearing leggings, but hopefully you can see around my little band here, but yeah, she's definitely poking out there. So yeah, she's definitely out there. You can finally tell that I'm pregnant and not just chunky. Love that change. All right, so I think that is about it for this pregnancy update. Stay tuned for more updates. I'm gonna probably just do one with each doctor's appointment. That will work easiest for me, and then I actually have something to tell you. And if you have any comments or questions or anything, leave them down below. I love chatting with you guys. And don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you like videos like this, and we will see you next time.